Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate images in Perplexity AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first we need to go ahead and download Perplexity AI from our App Store or Play Store. Once we've done that, we want to go ahead and open up the application. Then you're going to be greeted by this screen here and when it says ask anything. Now this is where you can write a prompt to go ahead and create that image. So for example, if I wanted to generate an image of a futuristic neon city light, so I'm going to go ahead and type this in. So generate an image of a futuristic neon city night, rainy streets, cinematic lighting, ultra wide angle. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and click send. And now it'll come to this page where it says generating an image of a futuristic neon city at night. So here we go. So we can have a look at the different images it has created for us, which is pretty cool. If we go ahead and click swipe left to right, we can go ahead and click on show more and we can see all the different images it's come up with. So if you like any of these, you go ahead and click into it. So that's one there. So don't mind that one. Now if I come back down here, it's going to tell us a bit more about the image. And now at the bottom, it's going to say specify camera lens, focal length and aspect ratio for ultra wide shot. Choose an art style, photorealistic or cyberpunk illustration. Add specific elements like flying cards, holographic billboards and pedestrians. So you can refine your image even more by going through these prompts as well and just simply talking to Perplexity AI to get the best image